you are digesting yourself to death. Every time you eat 6 small meals a day, every time you reach for a late-night snack, you are keeping your body in a permanent, exhausting state of cellular emergency. But thousands of years before Big Pharma monetized your metabolism, the ultimate biological reset button was commanded by God Himself. Today, we are unlocking 7 ancient scriptural fasting protocols that physically incinerate disease, reset your immune system, and force your body to literally eat its own weak cells. Pay extremely close attention to fasting protocol number 4, because the medical industry is terrified of what it does to your stem cells. And whatever you do, do not skip protocol number 7. It was the exact biological trigger the Apostle Paul used to completely rewire his central nervous system in the dark. Let's begin. When you complain of chronic fatigue and joint pain, the modern diet industry tells you to keep your metabolism revved. They tell you to never skip breakfast. They want your digestive tract working 18 hours a day, keeping your insulin permanently spiked so you stay hungry, tired, and dependent on their processed snacks. They have monetized your digestion. But true healing requires absence. True healing requires emptiness. You aren't tired because you are aging. You are tired because your cells are suffocating under a never-ending avalanche of glucose. It is time to stop eating and start healing. Number 1. The Davidic Sunset Fast. In 2 Samuel 1:12, after suffering a massive, traumatic loss, King David and his men entered a state of immediate biological and spiritual mourning. They mourned and wept and fasted till evening. Fasting until the sun goes down is the oldest circadian biohack in human history. Modern endocrinology has finally discovered what David knew. When you stop consuming calories at sunset, your blood insulin levels plummet into the basement. The exact moment insulin hits rock bottom, your pituitary gland unleashes a massive surge of human growth hormone, HGH. This is the ultimate anti-aging compound, rushing through your bloodstream while you sleep to repair torn muscle fibers and burn deep visceral fat. But look at the modern empire. They designed the 24-hour drive-through. They push midnight snacking, forcing your pancreas to pump insulin at 11 p.m. High insulin completely blocks the release of human growth hormone, accelerating the aging process and turning your body into a fat-storing machine overnight. The protocol: shut down your kitchen at 6 p.m. sharp. From sunset until you wake up the next morning, consume absolutely nothing but water. Let your growth hormones rebuild your body in the dark. Number 2. The 24-hour Yom Kippur reset. In Leviticus 16:29, God gave the Israelites a non-negotiable statute for the Day of Atonement. You must deny yourselves and do no work. For 24 hours, from sundown to sundown, the entire nation stopped eating. This was not just spiritual purification. It was deep cellular cleansing. When you cross the 18-hour mark without food, your liver runs out of stored glycogen. Your body goes into an elite survival mode called autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating. Because your cells are starving for energy, they begin hunting down dead, damaged, and misfolded proteins inside your own body. They sweep your bloodstream, incinerating the exact toxic proteins that cause Alzheimer's and premature aging, converting that cellular garbage into pure energy. The food industry hates autophagy. They sell you protein bars to eat between meals, guaranteeing your body never goes hungry enough to clean out the cellular trash. The protocol: once a week, execute a true 24-hour fast. Eat dinner on Thursday night, and do not let a single calorie cross your lips until dinner on Friday night. Drink only black coffee, bitter tea, and water. Number 3. The Daniel Purification Fast. In Daniel chapter 1, Daniel refuses the luxurious toxic diet of the Babylonian king. He tells his captors, "Give us nothing but vegetables to eat and water to drink." This wasn't a total fast. It was a strategic microbiome reboot. When you eliminate meat, dairy, and rich sugars, and consume only dense, fibrous vegetables, you starve the pathogenic bacteria in your gut. Simultaneously, you feed the elite bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, specifically butyrate. Butyrate is a biological miracle. It aggressively repairs the mucosal lining of your intestines, physically sealing the microscopic holes that cause leaky gut syndrome and systemic autoimmune disease. What is the modern equivalent of the king's meat? Ultra-processed deli meats, dairy injected with synthetic growth hormones, and high-fructose corn syrup that literally acts as a chemical bleach, wiping out your healthy gut bacteria in days. The protocol: 3 consecutive days a month, refuse the modern diet. Consume 0 animal products, 0 sugar, and 0 processed food. Eat only raw or steamed vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Repair your mucosal shield. Stop right there. Look at your own health right now. What is the one chronic, daily suffering that eating 6 meals a day has completely failed to cure? Is it your creeping weight gain, your brain fog, or the joint pain that makes you dread waking up? I need you to tell me in the comments right now. Name the exact condition you are dragging through life. This channel is an army of people breaking the chains of the medical system, and we need to know what you are fighting. Type it below. Now, let's get to the protocol that regenerates your stem cells. Number 4. The 3-day Esther protocol. In Esther 4:16, facing the absolute annihilation of her people, Queen Esther sends a desperate command to Mordecai: "Go, gather together all the Jews who are in Susa and fast for me. Do not eat or drink for 3 days, night or day." 72 hours of total deprivation. In clinical science, the 72-hour mark is where the biological impossible happens. When you deprive your body of food for 3 days, your immune system essentially panics. It destroys all of its old, damaged white blood cells. And as you prepare to break the fast, your body triggers a massive regeneration of hematopoietic stem cells. Your body literally manufactures a brand new, factory reset immune system from scratch. Pharma ignores this. When your immune system goes rogue and attacks your own thyroid or joints, they prescribe synthetic immunosuppressants. They chemically blindfold your immune system, leaving you entirely defenseless against basic infections, while charging you a fortune. The protocol: twice a year, execute a 72-hour water-only fast. It will require immense mental warfare. Drink heavily mineralized water, push through the hunger pangs on day 2, and let your body forge a brand new immune system. Number 5. The Elijah Ketogenic Fast. In 1 Kings 19, the prophet Elijah is running for his life, completely burned out. God provides him one miraculous meal, and the scripture says, he got up and ate and drank. Strengthened by that food, he traveled 40 days and 40 nights until he reached Horeb, the mountain of God. Elijah was pushed into the ultimate state of human endurance. When you fast for extended periods, your liver stops using glucose and begins converting your own body fat into high-octane fuel molecules called ketones, specifically beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier and provide 400% more ATP energy to your brain cells than sugar ever could. Your anxiety drops, your vision sharpens, and your brain runs on pure, clean-burning jet fuel. The food industry intentionally blocks you from this state. By pushing a diet of 60% refined carbohydrates, they ensure your brain is addicted to glucose. You are trapped on a roller coaster of sugar spikes and exhausted crashes, never once accessing the hundreds of thousands of calories of fat stored on your own frame. The protocol: to simulate Elijah's metabolic shift, delay your first meal until 2 p.m. every day. When you finally break your daily fast, eat 0 carbohydrates. Break it with pure fats, avocado, olive oil, and pastured eggs to force your brain into a state of deep, unbreakable ketosis. Number 6. The Moses Command. In Exodus 34-28, Moses ascends Mount Sinai to receive the tablets of the covenant. The atmosphere is so thick with the presence of God that human biology is suspended. Moses was there with the Lord 40 days and 40 nights without eating bread or drinking water. Fasting is the ultimate reset for your brain's reward center. When you are constantly chewing, sipping, and snacking, you are flooding your brain with endless hits of dopamine. Over time, your dopamine receptors become numb, burned out, and exhausted. This is called dopamine downregulation. It is the reason food no longer satisfies you and why you feel depressed even when you are full. Fasting forces your brain to upregulate those receptors, making them violently sensitive to joy once again. Food scientists know this. They literally engineer modern junk food with the exact ratios of salt, sugar, and fat, called the bliss point, to hijack your dopamine receptors and keep you chewing like a mindless addict. The protocol: fast from all flavor. For 3 days, drink absolutely nothing but flat, unflavored water. No zero-calorie sweeteners, no lemon, no tea. Starve your dopamine receptors until they heal. Number 7. The Saul of Tarsus Apoptosis. In Acts 9, Saul of Tarsus, who would become the Apostle Paul, is struck blind on the road to Damascus by the blinding light of Christ. For the next 3 days, his biological reality is completely shattered. Acts 9:9 says, "For 3 days he was blind and did not eat or drink anything." This absolute, profound deprivation triggers the ultimate cellular command, apoptosis. Apoptosis is programmed cell death. Inside your body right now are zombie cells, senescent cells that refuse to die. They secrete highly inflammatory cytokines that rot the healthy tissue around them. They are the root cause of tumor growth and severe joint decay. When you enter a deep, prolonged fast, your body aggressively hunts down these zombie cells and forces them to commit suicide. It purges the darkness from your tissue. But you must hear this warning. You can fast for 24 hours. You can trigger autophagy. You can command your stem cells to regenerate. And you can completely destroy it all in 60 seconds. How you break the fast is more dangerous than the fast itself. If you starve your cells for days and then break your fast with a massive spike of processed carbohydrates and refined seed oils, you will trigger a biological nightmare called refeeding syndrome. Your insulin will skyrocket so violently that it strips the potassium and phosphorus straight out of your blood. It can cause permanent heart arrhythmias, instant fat storage, and wipe out every single benefit of the fast you just endured. You cannot break a deep fast with the Babylon diet. There is a highly specific, ancient protocol involving liquid gold that gently wakes up your digestive enzymes and seals your gut lining without spiking your insulin. Click the video on your screen right now to discover the ancient bone broth fast-breaking protocol. If you break your fast wrong, you are poisoning your newly healed cells. Click the video on your screen right now to learn the exact step-by-step refeeding process. I will see you there.